Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up and install your HP LaserJet M110w printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser, and in the Google search, you want to search for HP LaserJet M1110w printer drivers. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be an HP support page that says HP LaserJet M110w printer software and driver downloads. Open that up. And now on this page, you want to just scroll down and you want to select the HP Easy Start Printer Setup software. Go ahead and download that. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file to extract it. And if you receive a user account control prompt, it should be from a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then just proceed with the on-screen wizard of getting your printer configured to your device. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.